Today, I'm diving deep into MailerLite to give you my honest review based on real user experience. MailerLite is a popular email marketing platform known for its simple interface, automation tools, and affordability. Right from the start, the website feels clean and easy to navigate. Signing up is straightforward, though you will need to go through an approval process before you can start sending emails. Some users report delays in this process, which can be frustrating if you need to get started immediately. Point one of the main highlights of MailerLite is its email builder. The drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to design professional-looking emails without coding knowledge. There are plenty of templates to choose from, but if you're on the free plan, you'll find some limitations. The customization options are decent, though not as advanced as some competitors. Automation is a strong point for MailerLite. You can set up automated workflows to welcome new subscribers, follow up on abandoned carts, or send personalized content based on user behavior. The visual automation builder is easy to use, and for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs, it offers a lot of value. However, if you're looking for more advanced segmentation or AI-driven automation, MailerLite may not be as powerful as some of the bigger players in the market. Deliverability is always a concern with email marketing platforms. MailerLite generally performs well, ensuring that emails land in inboxes rather than spam folders. That said, users have reported occasional deliverability issues, particularly with cold outreach campaigns. Their compliance team is strict about email lists, so if you're importing contacts, make sure they've opted in. Not sure how to avoid drain your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Pricing is where MailerLite shines. They offer a generous free plan, which includes 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month. Paid plans start at an affordable rate compared to competitors, making it a budget-friendly option. However, as your list grows, the pricing increases, and at higher tiers, it may not be as competitive as alternatives like ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign. Customer support is decent but not the fastest. Free plan users are limited to email support, while paid users get live chat support. While the support team is generally helpful, response times can vary, and some users report delays in getting issues resolved. Overall, MailerLite is a solid choice for small businesses, bloggers, and startups looking for an affordable, easy-to-use email marketing tool. It's not the most feature-rich platform, but for basic email campaigns and automation, it does the job well. If you need advanced CRM features or deep analytics, you might find it lacking. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have you used MailerLite? What was your experience? If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching.